Hi there! Oh. Hi there! Today in this video we're going to learn the Finontok daily conversation. Kas ano ka? Kas ano ka? Kas ano kay? Kas ano kay? Nagtut kay galut? Nagtut kay galut? Ay, naawatan. Ay, naawatan. Ay, naawatan. Sikabot. Sikabot. Yaman. Yaman. Natsanakan ka. Natsanakan. Lai lai chớp xích ai tự ưu la 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 la. Oh, that's all I can say in this this video, the conversation in Finontok language. We do hope that you learned something and you got interest, and I know that this is an interest and interest it could be. Thank you and see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe.